Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Notifal. I'm Okti, your onboarding assistant, and I'm here to help you hit two big goals. The first one is to get your first pop-up or notification live on your website in less than 5 minutes and start showing it to your visitors. This way, we make sure getting started with Notifal is super quick and totally hassle-free. But the second and more important goal is to generate at least €139 in extra sales with Notifal over the next 14 days. Hitting this goal means two things. First, we'll know for sure that Notifal actually works when it comes to boosting sales and conversion rates. And second, you'll make back the entire amount you paid for the annual license within just the first 14 days. Now that we're clear on our goals, let me quickly explain what Notifal actually is and why it's such a vital tool for websites. In a nutshell, Notifal helps you increase your website's conversion rate. So, what exactly is a conversion rate? Think of it as oxygen for your business. The higher it is, the healthier your business becomes. More sales, better ROI, and so on. But the lower it gets, the closer your business moves toward failure. Fewer sales, ad spend going up in smoke, and I really hope you never have to experience that. So, how does Notifal boost your website's conversion rate? Notifal helps you deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. For example, imagine a visitor adds products to their cart, but then has second thoughts and is about to abandon it. Right at that exit moment, Notifal shows them a pop-up with a 10% discount code inside, plus a timer telling them they only have 10 minutes to complete their order with this code, or it expires. This one simple strategy alone gets a huge percentage of those who were about to abandon their cart to change their mind, and you end up with more sales. Or if your goal is to collect visitor emails, imagine I found one of your blog posts through a Google search and read about 70% of it. That means I was clearly interested in that content. You can set up a scroll-based notification or floating side box that pops up once I've read 70% of the article, saying, "Looks like you enjoyed this content." Drop your email and get similar articles delivered to your inbox every Monday at 10 a.m. This can be an amazing and effective strategy for blogs or anyone running an active newsletter. There are thousands of notifications and pop-ups you can display across different parts of your website to significantly boost your conversion rate, and we're going to activate all of them on our site as we go. Pop-ups and notifications that help you turn visitors who are slipping away into customers, leads, registered users, or whatever you're after. I've talked enough and we've burned enough time, so let's get down to business. But before we dive in, let me tell you what the plan looks like from here. Coming up, we're going to learn what kind of notifications and pop-ups are right for your website and how to create them. Now, there are 3 different ways to do this. The first way is the fastest. With this method, you pick from a library of pre-designed, ready-to-go notifications and get them live on your site with just a few clicks. The second way is the easiest. All you have to do is submit a free configuration request, and our team will review your website and build the best notifications for you. The third way is the most advanced. With this method, you build and configure a notification completely from scratch. You've got tons of options and can customize the design and everything exactly the way you want. All right, it's time to start the timer and launch your first notification. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.